fucking get over there. What the fuck?
Cynthia looked scared out of her mind, and I picked up on it fast since we stood there in silence in pitch black dark as there wasn't a street light for about 30 feet. I whispered,
No more drugs for that man.
Your mom is required to provide us an ID, driver's license, name, date of birth, something like that. At that point,
states that I think you need to provide us employment.
You know. You all know exactly who I am.
that's not true. If you have a Florida driver's license or no?
I do.
Okay, so when you sign for a Florida driver's license, in part you agree that you have
already revoked him.
Right.
So as I told her,
The fuck is this wing nut doing? I'm a fucking idiot. And then he just threw a cigarette out the window. What? You idiot. Dickhead.
Water. Yamaguchi had drawn blood, but it wasn't enough.
What are you doing?
Because at 5 in the evening, American dive bombers found here 4 bombs hit her in rapid succession.
No fucking right turn!
She erupted in flames.
Wonderful. Couldn't have said it better myself.
Whoa. Dash cam.
file locked. Oh, Jesus
You're
Christ.
a dickhead.
Jesus Christ.
Get so many idiots.
This isn't even her final form.
Nice work.
Just wait until she evolves into a legendary cocky.
You dumb shit.
Visit a dealer today. LDV, bring it on. T's and C's at LDV.
He just turned black from that lane.
Where are you going, mate? Are you fucking right? Fuckwit. You're getting away from the mic.
Is a burning thing. It makes the palate sting. For a taste you must acquire. Indian food is a hot desire. I went to bed and the taste, it was dire. And when I woke up, my ass was on fire.
Maybe she's getting defected because of her car.
And the police go through the red light. Fucking dickhead.
And you know what time it is. Our shitbag titty fuck of the week goes to the one and only
you for your safe driving. Starting normal recording. Starting route to 12 Moorfields Road. Head southeast on Chapel Street.
可以。
可以吗？
可以。哦。
这挺爽的。
嗯。
哦。我刚才想点冰激凌的，还能换冰激凌，我想算了吧。
嗯。
肚子不舒服，回来吃拉肚子更坏。
You don't know how to fucking drive, you dumb fuck. Are you alright, bro? Are you alright, you fuck? I'm very alright, mate. You're an idiot, mate. You're an idiot, mate. No, you...
And keep my eyes above the waves. My soul will rest in your embrace, for I am yours. You are mine.
Borrowers, that's $2,000 on top of any lender offer. That gives your home loan wings. I haven't been helped applying for
Go!
home loan.
Fuck ya!
This football tree house. What the hell's a tree house?